In this video, I am going to show you how to change UPI PIN in Google Pay. 1. Launch the Google Pay app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner. Tap on the bank account option from the menu. Then select the bank account from which you want to change the UPI PIN. Tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of the screen and choose the Change UPI PIN option from the menu. Enter your existing UPI PIN when prompted. Then enter your new UPI PIN in the designated field and confirm it by entering it again. Next, once you've entered the new UPI PIN and confirmed it, the UPI PIN will be successfully changed. You will receive a confirmation message indicating the successful change of the UPI PIN. And make sure to remember the new one for future transactions using Google Pay. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.